Hi everyone, welcome back to Math to the Raja. Today we are going to do some word problems of ratios. So let's get started. So we have question number 1 as like we are going to solve some questions, and yeah, so let's get started. So first question we are having is you can like just pause the video and then do this question and then you can just tell it that, okay? So our first question is, in a school play there are 15 boys and 20 girls. Not that there are 15 boys and 20 girls. What is the ratio of boys to total number of students? They tell us to find the ratio of boys, like the number of boys we are having is 15, so we will put 15 ratio. Then they said us total number of students, and the total number of students, how we can get that? Like suppose we have boys of 15 and girls of 20. It means when we will add 15 plus 20 we will get the total number of students. Yeah, so what we will do, when we will add 15 plus 20 we will get 35. Okay, ratio 15. It means our answer is this middle one. How we get it? Because they said is boys to total number of students, not total number of students to boys. There is written boys. The first digit is boys, so we will first of all write the number of boys and the number of total number of students. So this is middle one is our answer. Okay, yeah. So let's do our question number 2. Says Amy spends 30 minutes on a project online. During that time she allocates 15 minutes for research, 8 minutes for writing, and rest of for editing. What is the ratio of spent time on editing to the total time she spent on his project? So what they're saying is we need to find the ratio of the time. We need to find the ratio of the time spent on editing. She spent on editing, and the time she spends on the project, like total time she spends on a project. Okay, so we are going to see how much time she spent on a project. Editing. The question says Amy spends 30 minutes on a project. It means the total time she spent is 30 minutes. Okay, we know that. Then 15 minutes she spent for research. It means 15 minutes she spent for research. Okay, and 8 minutes for writing. Okay, so it means 30 minutes she total spent, 15 minutes for research and 8 minutes for editing, and rest of the time she spends for editing. So if we want to find the number of time she spends on editing, what we need to do is we just need to add 15 plus 8. Okay, so when we will do 15 plus 8, then we will get 23. So it means we have 23 minus 30. Now what we did is, it means the total time she spends on research and writing is 23 minutes, and when we will subtract 23 from 30 we will get the time she spends on editing. Okay, so when we will do that, like when we will subtract this from this, we will get 7. Okay, so it means they said us to find the ratio of the spent on editing, so it is 7. Then we will put the sign of ratio, and then the total time to the total time she spends on the project, and the total time she spends on the project is 30. Okay, so it means our answer is 7 ratio 30. Okay, yeah, it is correct. Now we have question number 3. So our question number 3 says the length of rectangle is 12 centimeter and the breadth is 8 centimeter. What is simplified ratio of length to breadth? So in this they said us to what is simplified ratio. Okay, so it means we need to simplify our ratio. So they said us to simplify ratio length to breadth, not breadth to length. They said us to length to breadth. So our first length is 12 centimeter ratio and breadth is 8. Okay, now if we will simplify it, how we can simplify it? We can just like divide that with 4. Okay, like if we will divide 8 with 4 we will get 2. Then if we will divide 12 with 4 we will get 3. It means when we will simplify our ratio we will get 3 ratio 2, and Our answer is this first one, 3:2. Then we have question. In a laboratory experiment, a student mixes a solution with 12 ml of solvent to 20 ml of solute and 4 ml of catalyst. What is the simplified ratio to solute to the solvent to calculate? Okay, in this we need to find three ratios. Okay, we don't need to find only like two, we need to difference of threes. Okay, three numbers. So they said as if the ratio of solvent, if our ratio like they said as a student mixes 12 ml of solution, 20 ml of 12 ml of a solvent, 20 ml of a solute and 4 ml of a catalyst. So what would be the ratio of solute to solvent to catalyst? So what they said is we need to find solute to solvent, not wait a second, the first word they use over here is solute. So we need to find the number of solute we are having is 20. Okay, so we will write here 20 ratio. Then they use the word solvent, the number of solvent she put is 12. Okay, then at last they use the word catalyst, the number of that is 4. Okay, that means this is our formula. Yeah, this is our ratio. So now we need to simplify it. Okay, so if we simplify it, like if we simplify 20 ratio 12 ratio 4, if we simplify it, we will just like if we divide it with 4, so we will get 5 ratio 3 ratio 1. So it means our answer is this last one. Okay, let's just check that, and yeah, our answer is correct. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, comment me down. I'm definitely going to answer that. And yeah, bye bye, tada.